Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Junkless chocolate chip chewy granola bars. If you would like some more information on Junkless chocolate chip chewy granola bars, please be sure to check my video description for some more information. So there's so many things that I really like about this brand, but of course I like that it doesn't have a lot of fake ingredients or artificial ingredients like some other ones do that are on the market. So these are really good and they're inexpensive. They're a little bit more than like, say like the chewy bars and stuff like that, but overall generally inexpensive. And if you guys have kids, I definitely recommend these too, because if you don't want to be giving them things with a lot of artificial ingredients and stuff, these are an excellent option. So Junkless chocolate chips chewy granola bars are made with no hydrogenated oils, no high fructose corn syrup, and no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Like the label says, no fake stuff. They contain 100% whole grain oats and 6 grams of sugar per bar. They are non-GMO, and then this is what they look like. This is the texture when I open them. And each box comes with 6 1.1 ounce bars. Net weight is 6.6 ounces. And that's for all of them. So Junkless chewy granola bars are made for real food with real people. At Junkless Foods, we believe great tasting snacks can be made simply without all the complexity and excess baggage that comes from a lab. Things like cheap fruit pieces with fake flavorings or genetically modified organisms. GMOs. At Junkless, we've gone back to basics by using only wholesome ingredients, ones you and your family know and trust, and you can actually pronounce. My son loves these, and I keep them in his diaper bag where I keep like other snacks and stuff that I give him. So these are what the bars look like. I like the black and blue coloring on the package. And then we have all the nutrition facts on the back. Serving size 1 bar, total fat 4.5 grams, calories 130 per serving, 21 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein. So it has everything listed here. Total sugars 6 grams, which is not bad at all. I like that the sugar count is low. And then it reiterates that there's no high fructose corn syrup, etc., and no fake stuff in there. And then they're easy to put in like the kids' school lunch boxes and backpacks and things like that. So these are made with less sugar and more taste, which I definitely can attest to. My son is going to be 2 pretty soon, and he loves these. And I just, they're not too hard for him either. They're kind of soft, so I'll just break off like little pieces of it for him, and he chews it himself. So less sugar, more taste. Most snack bars have too much sugar or worse. They contain sugar alcohols, not so at Junkless. Each Junkless chewy granola bar contains less sugar than half a medium-sized banana, and you'll be surprised just how good Junkless tastes. And they're on Instagram and Facebook and their website. And then it tells you here again, the ingredients: whole grain rolled oats, rice crisp, dark chocolate chips, brown rice syrup, and vanilla extract. So the vanilla kind of makes it sweet, so they don't have to add like a ton of sugars. The nutrition facts again are on the side, just like they were on the bar. And again, the ingredients are here. And then it tells you contain soy, may contain wheat, milk, peanuts, and tree nuts. So I definitely want to limit my son's sugar. And so many kids' snacks, like there's a ton of sugar and kind of not so great ingredients, especially for kids. And then if you have kids, you'll know that if you give them a lot of sugar, they'll be bouncing off the wall. So that's just like another downside to snacks that have a ton of sugar in them. So these are overall really great. And of course I like them too. So I could just keep one in my purse, or if you're traveling or something like that, they're great to just, add to your suitcase, purse, backpack, wherever you're going. And they are somewhat filling. So I really like them, and I definitely recommend them. So guys, if you enjoyed my video for Junkless chocolate chip chewy granola bars, please leave me a comment. Hope you guys found it useful. And as always, thank you so much for watching.